Introduction. The importance of meteorological notifications, such as SIGMETs, convective SIGMETs, and AIRMETs, should be considered. They assist flight crews and other aviation services in making informed decisions based on weather conditions that may affect flight safety. SIGMETs, convective SIGMETs, and AIRMETs are critical for guaranteeing flight safety. Although all three types of meteorological notifications, SIGMETs, convective SIGMETs, and AIRMETs, play an essential role in ensuring aviation safety, significant differences exist in their scope, duration, and severity, making them useful for different purposes and under other conditions. Discussion. Because of the inherent dangers connected with flying at high altitudes and in changing weather conditions, aviation is one of the most challenging businesses. The aviation sector mainly depends on meteorological alerts to avoid these risks, which give real-time information on potentially hazardous weather conditions that may impact aircraft operations. SIGMETs, convective SIGMETs, and AIRMETs are among the most popular alerts, each with its own set of characteristics and uses. SIGMETs, or significant meteorological information, are given when dangerous weather conditions, like extreme turbulence, ice, or thunderstorms, are anticipated to interfere with aircraft operations. SIGMETs usually are suitable for up to 4 hours and cover a vast region. They are generally provided in distant places with no weather radar coverage or another way to receive weather information. The breadth of SIGMETs makes them especially valuable for long-haul flights that span many weather systems. Conversely, convective SIGMETs are warnings for dangerous weather conditions linked with convective activity, such as thunderstorms, hail, and tornadoes. These signals cover a narrower region than SIGMETs and are generally valid for up to 2 hours. Convective SIGMETs use radar and satellite imaging to offer flight crews up-to-date information on hazardous weather conditions in their nearby neighborhood. During the summer months, when thunderstorms are common and pose a risk to aviation, convective SIGMETs are critical for safe operations. Airmen's meteorological information, or AIRMETs, gives information on less severe meteorological conditions that may influence aircraft operations. AIRMETs can cover various meteorological phenomena, including low-level turbulence, ice, or cloud ceilings below specified altitudes. AIRMETs are issued for a specific geographical area and are valid for up to 6 hours. AIRMETs are designed to notify flight crews of potential risks that are not severe enough to justify a SIGMET or convective SIGMET but represent a risk to safe flight operations. Significant distinctions exist between SIGMETs, convective SIGMETs, and AIRMETs, in addition to scope, duration, and severity changes. Typically, SIGMETs and convective SIGMETs are broadcast through aviation communication channels such as air traffic control and pilot-to-pilot frequencies. In contrast, AIRMETs are published on weather websites and aviation information services. Another significant distinction between these messages is the amount of urgency conveyed. SIGMETs and convective SIGMETs are considered urgent alerts intended to warn flight crews of impending weather hazards. AIRMETs are deemed advisory warnings designed to alert flight crews to potential weather hazards that may occur soon. Conclusion. To conclude, SIGMETs, convective SIGMETs, and AIRMETs all play critical roles in flight safety. Convective SIGMETs give up-to-date information on hazardous weather in the local neighborhood, whereas AIRMETs provide information about less severe weather conditions. Knowing the distinctions between these signals is critical for flight crews to make educated judgments regarding weather-related risks and successfully mitigate those risks. The aviation sector can continue operating safely and effectively even in adverse weather conditions by employing these notifications. You can find this and many other essay samples on our website, studycorgi.com.